Now, this pattern, we're going to use a G chord, a key of G. It's so easy to do, but it sounds nice. And the teaching song we're going to use is Red River Valley. So this song would go like this. Well, actually, the piano accompaniment pattern goes like this. You play 1, 2. Let me turn the volume up a little bit more. Here's a G chord. Left hand plays G, middle finger plays B, thumb plays D. Right hand, just duplicate that. Right hand thumb, G, right hand middle finger, B, and then pinky on D. You have 2 G chords, 2 G major chords. And so we just start off like this, left, right. So this is a 4/4 time pattern, so this would be 1, 2. That is really easy to do. 1, 2. Now beats 3 and 4, we're going to turn into eighth notes. Let's go back to beat 1 and 2. These are quarter notes. 1, 2. Now to get the eighth notes in, we're going to use our magic left thumb. If you looked at the previous teaching videos I have on piano accompaniment patterns for beginners, the left thumb is really important. The left thumb just adds a whole lot to the entire process. So we begin this little chord run with the left hand thumb, which would be the highest note of the left hand chord. So in this case, my thumb on D. And so just play that. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. See? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Simple but very effective. And now let's go to a different chord, F chord. So 1, 2. Try that exercise. We'll start with C chord, work our way all the way up an octave higher to the next set of C major chords. Here's C major chord. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Now on this exercise, let's look at the last 3 beats, the third beat and fourth beat of the pattern. And remember, it's the left hand thumb coming off a G chord, then your right hand plays the G, middle finger plays B, and then pinky plays D. With a G chord, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Let's try this on a song. Okay, we're going to try this pattern on a song, Red River Valley, a public domain song. Just 3 basic chords. In the key of G, we have the G major chord, C major chord, and the D chord, D major chord. So let's try this. I might throw a couple of things in there just to make it a little bit more interesting. But primarily I want to teach you this pattern, so that's about all I'm going to use is just this one pattern in the song. It goes like this. From this valley